Today we have breakfast. Who doesn't love breakfast?
Oh.
And we have a special guest. I mean, we love this person and he's going to make an amazing breakfast. Pastor Raffoul!
This lady is the best thing for my ego because she makes me feel so wonderful, you know, about myself. And I'm grateful for that. You know, breakfast is break fast. So breakfast, that's why it's a wonderful meal, because it's called breaking the fast. Because you're supposedly not eating anything all night, so now you're breaking your fast. So today we're gonna make something that I invented, you know, so I'm gonna call it after my name, Omelette à la Raffoul. And what makes it so special, we're gonna use lamb. So instead of, you could use bacon, you could use Canadian ham, you could use regular ham, you could use anything, but we're gonna make the lamb with its fat and dice it very small pieces like that. So that's the first thing we will do. We'll put that with olive oil.
Lovely. So Pastor Raffoul,
Yes.
what's news? What's good news do you have to
Oh
tell
my,
our
I'll tell
audience?
you. Oh, I am so excited. I don't know if you've seen me before and you see me now. I'm almost back to what I used to weigh when I was 24. 2 months, I'm down from 40 waist to 36. My goal is to go down to 34. And I lost 27 pounds in less.
Wow, that's
in less,
amazing.
Yeah.
How did you do
Well,
that?
I'll tell you, before I say how, what's amazing, it's not just about the looks, but the looks does matter. You know, especially when you go on TV, because TV, you know, or YouTube, that makes you look twice your size. I have a wonderful friend of mine. She's a member of my church, and she's coaching me. She has but we don't call it diet, we call it healthy living. Because it's a matter of choices. The most important thing is I said, this is it. I can't go on like this. I was getting uncomfortable. My diabetes was getting so bad. You know, I was testing like 134, 145, 145. My sugar level was every morning before breakfast. That's not good. That's the beauty about, you know, choosing to live healthy. Because God has a need for you. And your family needs you around and needs you healthy so you could enjoy life. And we thought, I love food. I mean, food is really, I live to eat. I don't eat to live, I live to eat, you know. But so I never thought I would be able to do this. But I prayed, and I think that's important. I had other people pray for me, and I did it. I stopped completely, 100%, no carb. No rice, no pasta, no potato, no bread, and no sugar. That means no fruit.
So what do you eat if you don't eat bread, you don't eat rice?
This program that I'm on, that I cannot say the name of it, but you could contact me, and I could put you in touch with my coach. Her name is Cindy, and she will coach you like she's coaching me.
But you know, Pastor Raffoul, our body is a temple, right?
Amen.
That's what the Bible says.
Yes.
And you know, we don't look after the spiritual thing, but we look after the physical things. And we need to look after our bodies because, you know, it's no good, like you said, it's no good to anyone if we're dead.
Exactly.
Yeah, we're no good to anyone. Or if we are ill all the time.
We're no good for God because it is, the Bible says, the dead shall not praise me.
That's
the
right.
living praise me.
Yes, yeah. So what's next, Pastor Raffoul?
All right.
Cut the meat for you. You cut the.
Well, let's put the meat.
peppers.
We need to cook the meat first.
Yeah, hot pan, olive oil.
We're gonna now add the vegetable.
So
Everything comes together.
the tomato, the spring onion, the green and red peppers. Wow. You can put as much or as little you want.
We will leave the mushroom to add later,
Yeah, we can.
but we could add the onions now.
Onions.
Yeah.
The red onions chopped into small pieces. Whoa.
Wonderful. Oh my goodness. See, everything God made, He said, it's good. Because everything here is God's made. No man made any of this. So we're gonna add right now 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of nice black pepper. The same thing for cinnamon. Cinnamon, I'm new to this. You know, cinnamon is good for diabetes. Really, I mean, some people I know, they eat these cinnamon sticks every day and they drink it. They were really did not have to go in insulin because of cinnamon. The paprika is nice coloring and little zest. You gotta kick this dish a little, and now we could add the mushrooms. Thank you. Again, I told you I make a mess. I make noise when I eat. I make mess when I cook. Oh, look at this, beautiful. I think I'm gonna add a little more olive oil to this. When we start growing mint, and this is from the beautiful garden here, the Garden of Eden, we add mint, fresh mint, nice green. Mint is amazing digestive. You know, really, if you have issues, stomach, just boil mint and drink it. So now I come to my favorite part of this, and that is the cracking of the eggs over this. I don't like to put them in bowls and whip them. I like to do it like this. And these eggs too are fresh eggs from the chicken that grows in the Garden of Eden here.
Oh, yeah.
Of this wonderful lady. I mean, she's got
this. Look at this.
So this is called manushi, za'atar. Za'atar is thyme, sesame seeds, sumac, olive oil, spread on dough and made in a bakery. So it's called manushi. Manushi is a very popular Lebanese breakfast, especially for kids. Kids loves it. So we go once a week, we buy enough, we put them in the freezer, we take them out, and I put them on open fire like this. So, because now they'll smell and they will taste like fresh.
From when I was 16, I wanted all that I had. Tell me, when did it change, or where'd we go? Now in the mirror I see someone I don't wanna be. Tell me, could we turn back? Oh, please don't go. Stop, breathe, wait a little longer. We be getting stronger. Stop, breathe.